Hey Toy Addicts, it's Jody. Guess what I found? More trading cards. Actually, I got these from Christmas, but I've been waiting so that I could open them up with you. Don't you feel special? Doesn't it make you feel good to know that every time I find a package of unopened Jaws 3D trading cards from 1980 something, I am going to open them up with you. And some Gremlin ones too. Okay, let's open them up and see what we got. Okay, before we get into the cards, I had to show you this packaging. First of all, you can see this is from 1984 from Topps. And there's an ad here on the back. Ring Pop. It's the most exciting new lollipop idea for fun since the invention of candy. So I guess 1984 is when Ring Pops came out. I had no idea. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Besides one old piece of gum. It says on the front here, we have 10 movie photo cards, 1 sticker, and 1 bubble gum. So here's our bubble gum. Still in one nice solid piece. Smells like nothing. Did a little damage to the card, but not too much, and it's on the back. I hate when it's on the front. Oh, the cards are like turned backwards. Weird. Oh, look at that first sticker. It's actually the only sticker, which you know my gripe about the puzzles. They're so hard you would never get all the pieces. And since you get 1 sticker per package, it will take you forever. Here we go. The invasion begins. And of course, every card, this is card number 42, has a little description on the back. And you could pause it on there to read it. Dad's latest invention. Oh, Dad, always coming up with wacky inventions. The bathroom buddy still has some bugs. It's a combination nail clipper, comb, Q-tip, tweezer, and toothbrush. The Peltzers and Kate. Oh, let's look at the back of that one, sorry. The captive Kate. Oh, the Gremlins got her. .3D comics? Yuck. Hidden horror. Crashing through. Yikes. The Gremlins cause so much destruction in this town. Stuff like this, it always makes me want to think, like, how are they going to explain this in the morning? You know? After Freddy Krueger kills a bunch of people and then disappears, how do they explain what happened? A splash of water. Oh no, don't do it. Never get them wet. Everyone knows that. Whoops. That was wrong back on that one. Sorry, they were stuck together. Billy's young friend Pete stops over to deliver a Christmas tree and is introduced to Gizmo. Pete is so amazed that he accidentally knocks over a water glass filled with Billy's paintbrushes. Corey Feldman, ruining everything. blowing up the theater. Yeah, how do you explain that tomorrow? There were all these little monsters and, yeah. Okay, let's see what we got for Jaws. And on the back of the Jaws package, it has an ad for soft bazooka bubblegum. Bazooka flavor, bazooka comics, no stick formula. So this has 3D cards since it's from Jaws 3D. So I guess we'll have to see how this goes. And we have our 3 smaller pieces of bubblegum. This is actually a plastic pack, which was kind of new because most of my other cards that I've got all come in paper. Of course, we got gum residue all over this one. Catherine and Philip team up to drug and capture the furious shark, which is now trapped in the SeaWorld lagoon. That's right, Jaws got into SeaWorld. Okay, so it looks like a picture on the front, and then a 3D picture on the back. So I guess if you have 3D glasses at home, you can play along with that. If you probably like at the store, they had a little stand with 3D glasses. As the crowd at SeaWorld enjoys their visit, the gigantic mother of the captured and now dead shark heads for the park area. Oh boy. Everybody out of the water. So, I like Jaws a lot, and I remember seeing this movie, but I haven't seen it in such a long time. Fitzroyce's body, disgorged by the shark, is the key to the monster's destruction, as Miles uses Philip's grenade to blow the beast to bits. Well, I don't know if a grenade is really going to blow a shark to bits. I can tell you that half a ton of dynamite will not blow a whale to bits. Have you ever seen that video on YouTube? This actually happened here in Oregon, in my state where I live. So it's kind of a legend here, kind of a big legend here. But in the 70s, a whale washed up on the beach, a huge whale, and it was dead and rotted, and nobody wanted to clean it up. So in Oregon, the beaches are all public land. There's no private beaches at all in Oregon. And the way that they made that happen is in the, I think it's like 1919 or something. They declared the beaches to be all highway. So it's actually legal to drive on the beach too. And so people can't own highway land. So it's all highway. So it's under the purview of the highway department. So the highway department decided that since they couldn't drag the whale out or clean it up, that they would just take half a ton of dynamite and put it inside the carcass. And basically they assumed that that half ton of dynamite would disintegrate the whale, that there would only be tiny little bits left that crabs and seagulls would take care of. So it was a big deal. The news came. All kinds of people came to watch him blow up the whale. Problem being, half ton of dynamite. Well, it blows stuff up all right, but it doesn't disintegrate it into teeny tiny pieces. It just blows it everywhere. So the news cameras are rolling as it starts to sound like, you know, once the whale has blown up, it starts to sound like it's raining. But what it's raining is chunks of whale everywhere. People go running because now they're getting hit with pieces of whale. Nobody was seriously hurt. A brand new car was basically completely crushed by a piece of the whale. I will put a link up in the corner to this video because it is too crazy. You got to see it. Oh man, this guy's going after the shark with a knife. Yeah, good luck on that, buddy. And zeroing in. I don't know. I can't really tell what that is. Mike Brody, remembering the tragedies at Amity when he was a youngster, rushes to the microphone to warn SeaWorld visitors about the shark. Oh boy. This was 1983. Okay, guys, that's all I got for you. Some tales about an exploding whale, some Jaws 3D cards, and some awesome Gremlins cards. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And check out the video that I put up here. That little eye, if you ever see that in videos, that little eye that's up here, that means that whoever put the video up, like I have a suggested video for you to watch that you might like. And so I'm going to put the exploding whale one up there. You got to see it. It's hilarious. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Dun, 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 dun.